Good morning, Sal.
Oh, geez. What's up, everybody? Whoa. Welcome back to another video. We're back at our shop in Park City with our brand new Lamborghini Gallardo, brand new to us. We are so excited to be filming today because we're going on our very first Lamborghini drive in our new Gallardo.
Today is filled with a lot of good news and a lot of bad news, but we'll start with the good news first.
What are you talking about? It's all bad news.
No, we got merch.
Oh, we do have merch. All right, I guess we're telling you guys. So I've been working my butt off lately to bring you guys more Summit Life merchandise. You guys absolutely loved the merchandise drop a year ago for the holidays. So we're about to drop more merch for these holiday seasons. Stay tuned for that, more updates to come.
Also guys, we know it's super echoey in here, so we do apologize.
Yeah, maybe we need to have an arts and crafts time here at the shop, make giant sound deadening panels.
All over the walls.
Yeah, but it is very echoey in here, yes.
Like Clayton said, keep an eye out for our merch because those do make awesome gifts. Our hats, top notch. You guys know what else makes a really good Christmas gift?
I think I got a hunch. Avalon King ceramic coating?
Yes. Avalon King is having a huge Black Friday sale that ends this Monday, so you're gonna wanna go check it out. Our link is in the description below.
And if you don't know what Avalon King is, it's a do-it-yourself ceramic coating that you can do at home. So if you have a car lover or car enthusiast in your life, it's a great gift idea actually. And what a better time to buy it than right now, because you just save a bunch of money. Why spend extra money when you don't have to? So when you clink that link, when you clink,
Clink that lick.
So when you guys click the link in the description below, you're gonna go to Avalon King's website and you're gonna buy the Armor Shield 9. This is the stuff we rave about here on our channel. When you buy it, you're gonna get this box with the magic stuff right here in this little bottle. So this stuff goes on your car so easy. Anybody can do it at home and it makes your car extremely hydrophobic and easy to clean. Definitely check it out. So we should probably ceramic coat the Gallardo once everything's fixed on it.
Oh man. Okay, well, apparently Clayton wants to transition to the bad news portion of the vlog.
I say let's just get it over with. So you guys already know and saw the video. We just purchased this 2006 Lamborghini Gallardo, and you heard that right, 2006. So this car is almost 15 years old, and inevitably, it's going to have things wrong with it. So we're gonna be going over everything wrong with our Lamborghini, and it happens to be a lot.
Let's go down the list. Yes, guys, there's a list.
There's a long list of things that are wrong with this car. So
in the video where we bought the car, we didn't mention it, but this car did have a PPI done at Lamborghini of Denver, and that's how we know what's wrong with it. I've got the list right here. So as we go along, I will plug in the list on the screen so you guys can visualize it. But first things first, tires. So if you guys look at these two numbers here, 0612, that means that is when this tire was manufactured in 2012. So these tires are 8 years old and they should have been replaced 6 years ago. And you guys know how Lamborghini dealerships are, they like to charge a lot. So to mount and balance all new 4 tires, it would be $1,731. Once you mount and balance tires, it needs an alignment, which is an extra $537. So mounting all new 4 tires and getting the alignment done is $2,268.
That's so much. All right, on to the next thing, which is also up here in the front. The dealership suggested that we replace the front shocks in the suspension components up here on the front. They said that because there was like a little bit of leaking happening because it is a very old car. But the number that they gave us was just insane. So to replace the 2 front shocks, that's it, not the rear, is $7,039.22.
Oh my gosh.
$7,000.
That's how much your truck cost.
My truck cost less than that. My entire farm OBS Ford F350 right there.
That truck out there costs as much as replacing a
2 shocks.
Yeah.
So adding the replacement 2 front shocks to the list and the $7,039, what does that bring our total to, Faith?
It brings it to $9,307, and we're not even halfway through the list.
Yeah, it's nuts. The next thing on the list is actually right here as well. It's directly beneath my head, right in the center of the car. And the dealership suggests that we replace the entire steering rack. Very odd thing. I've never heard of a Gallardo steering rack going bad, but what they quoted us for that is steering rack replacement, $8,763.
What the heck? What the heck, man?
Our total so far is $18,000.
Oh my gosh. We could buy another Cayman for $18,000.
Right, another Cayman S, you can get one for $18,000.
This next thing that's broken on the car is more of like an annoyance, but luckily it's not too expensive. This piece on the door handle is actually broken. But to replace this piece, you actually have to replace the whole door handle. And how much is that, Clayton?
The exterior door handle cover is $322, which brings our total to $18,392.
So the next thing on the list that Lamborghini of Denver wanted us to get done is the 14-year maintenance. Now what that 14-year maintenance includes, we're not entirely sure yet, but we have a hunch it has to do with oil change, fluid checks, changing the spark plugs, maybe the coils.
Stuff like that.
Stuff like that. But because of how pricey it is, I assume it's much more than that, right?
I would sure hope so, because for the 14-year maintenance, they're gonna charge us $3,272.
Nuts.
Which brings our total to $21,664.
Man.
And we're not done yet.
Man, this puppy's high maintenance. That is a good looking engine bay though.
Oh, absolutely.
All right, what's the last thing, Clayton?
So the last thing on the list is actually the most intense, elaborate, most complicated thing on the entire car. And it goes without saying, this is a E-gear transmission, so it just eats through clutches. So when they did the PPI on the Gallardo here, they ran the scanning tool, whatever they do, they plug it in and see how much clutch life is left. And it said there was about 8% of the clutch left, which is not much.
Yikes.
So what that means is we're gonna have to replace the clutch here very, very, very soon. With 8% left, roughly 8% left, I'm guessing we have just a couple hundred miles left on this clutch. Then we'll feel it start slipping, and then we're gonna have to tear it apart and replace the clutch. But how much did the dealership want to charge us to replace the clutch?
$8,290.
$8,290.
Think of all the cars we could have bought.
Dude, yeah, what's the total? What's the total? It's gotta be around $30,000, right?
We're at $29,954.
So $30,000 worth of damage that the dealership in Denver wanted to fix. Those are all very important things and things that do need to be addressed. But I believe that Faith and I here can get it done for less than $30,000. Bet.
But it's okay because we got Clayton and Faith in the house, you guys. DIYers of YouTube.
We do not have that title.
I know.
I bet we can tackle each one of those issues for a fraction of the cost.
Yes, we bought this car with the knowledge of how much work it needed, so we are prepared.
Be prepared. You guys know.
Oh. Oh my god.
You thought I was going to high five? No, it's be prepared. Boy Scouts, you know.
Did they teach you how to fix a Lamborghini in Boy Scouts?
Yeah, I got my Lamborghini maintenance merit badge, of course.
Here's a prime example of how prepared we are, you guys. Yeah, that's right. We already hooked ourselves up with a pair of snow tires for the winter.
So we just scored these online here in Utah. These are replacement tires for these. They are used, but they are snow tires. And guess how much we picked them up for?
$275.
What a good guess. All right, so we got front and rear snow tires.
Jeez.
Coming in ASAP to a vlog near you. So that right there is a prime example of how Faith and I are gonna save money fixing the Gallardo, getting it up to speed. Another great example is this right here. Check this little thing out. So in this heavy crate right here, we have a brand new Gallardo clutch. And then in this box right here, we have a throwout bearing, a clutch position sensor or something like that, and then random nuts and bolts and O-rings. The dealership wanted to charge us, or was it like $8,000 to do the clutch? We scored all this right here for $3,300. So that's roughly a $5,000 savings. Isn't that right, Faith?
Oh yeah.
Ready, 1, 2.
Oh my gosh. Oh, someone went to the gym. So guys, that is the end of the bad news. $29,900 something to fix the car, but it's okay.
We're good.
That just means more content for you guys.
Oh,
and
yeah.
we bought the car with that in mind. Now we are actually running on time to meet
right on time.
James for the first drive, and probably maybe it could possibly be the last drive if the clutch goes out.
If the clutch goes
Who
out or
knows?
anything breaks, this could be the last drive, but I got some faith in it. A whole faith.
I'm gonna be Okay, so we are meeting James at Shields in Salt Lake City to go on a sweet drive, get some photos, and then get some dinner. I'm really excited because we have not driven this car yet, so I can't contain my excitement. And this color looks insane outside.
Yes, but Faith, you do have to control your excitement a little bit, just because those tires are bad. We don't want you sliding off the road.
Hey.
We don't want you sliding off the road.
Ow!
You excited?
Yes.
All right, let's go. We are still very, very thankful for this purchase. Yeah. We're very excited to own this car. This is such a cool car, even though it needs $30,000 worth of maintenance. Wow. I never get tired of those views either.
That's a pretty good view.
We have an underpass. You know what to do. It didn't sound terrible, but can sound significantly better. And we're gonna be changing that in the future, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Well, who do we have here? All right.
So we made it to Shields, and James is in the process of taking his roof off because it's a beautiful day out. Do those just fit in the trunk?
They do, yeah.
That's so convenient.
All right, Faith, you ready?
Yes.
Cool, so we just got a game plan together. We are going to be heading up Little Cottonwood Canyon, which is that canyon right there. We're gonna be heading up, getting some photos, having a really good time, and then we're gonna come down and get some steak dinner. I think we're going to Outback Steakhouse tonight.
Yeah, we're stepping it up. I don't really think it's a step up from Texas Roadhouse.
I would call it a step up. Texas Roadhouse is like here, and Outback Steakhouse is like right here. Does that make, it makes you go,
Oh my gosh. What's great about the fact that I edit these videos is I get to pick what goes in and what doesn't.
Yeah, that is true. So she'll probably add this, but not hers. Man, although we did just buy our first Lamborghini and it's a Gallardo, I cannot wait for the day we buy an Aventador.
And James has two.
Yeah, and James has two of them.
Flex.
Yeah, what a flex.
Taz got it going on. It looks good like every season of the year. Hey, we wrapped that truck.
Hey, I wrapped that Raptor in Cool Coat. Yeah, nice.
Breaking necks left and right again.
All right, we made it.
Yes, we did.
Let's go take some photos. Are you guys cold or what?
Look at the views though, bro. Like, yeah, we're freezing, but well worth it.
How is the sky so blue here in Utah?
Dude, it's gorgeous.
It's insane. The Lambos look really nice, but the views are kind of trumping them right now. We're here at Alta. It is getting freezing now that the sun's going down.
Yeah, the sun is just creeping behind those mountains and it's getting really cold.
Where's your winter jacket?
In storage. I need to go get it.
Oh my gosh. I don't know how James is gonna rock that with the top down. It's gonna be freezing.
Freezing.
Anyways.
Well, you guys, we're gonna end the video here with this gorgeous view at Alta Ski Resort. We're gonna snag a couple more photos before we head back down to Salt Lake and get dinner at Outback Steakhouse. Steaks at Outback Steakhouse.
Yum.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Unfortunately, there's a lot of work to do on the Gallardo, but I think we can tackle it no problem. Stay tuned for more updates on it, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Bye.